Guys, did Bitcoin just broke out of the neckline of a inverse head and shoulders pattern right here? And does that mean that Bitcoin is going to continue this uptrend? Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the exact target of this pattern, also what I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin, and I'm also, guys, going to show you a warning signal that we are seeing right now over on the funding rate. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen, welcome to the blockchain today. Guys, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button. It would be awesome if we can reach above 400 likes on today's video like we did on last video, guys. Thank you so much. And a quick reminder for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or variety of altcoins. There are a lot of bonuses going on these exchanges that I'm recommending down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. And Bybit right now has the biggest bonus, which is a bonus of $3,500 and a 10% discount on your fees if you use my specific affiliate link down below to join this platform. So for everybody who is interested in that, you can find my links below this video. Then guys, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action, because in my previous video, guys, I've been saying that the Bitcoin price action is actually quite choppy and that you should be careful with trading Bitcoin right here, and I still think that that's the case. Bitcoin price action right now is very choppy. It's not so predictable, especially not in the shorter term time frame. We have been talking about that the most important factors are the key support, which I will point out in a bit, and the key resistance, which is at the previous all-time highs. But right now, when we have a look at the shorter term time frame, we do see a interesting potential pattern that has been forming, and that is this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So Bitcoin topped out right here, we came down, then we formed a left shoulder right here, head in the middle, right shoulder right there. It's a little bit small right shoulder, but we got a clear neckline right here. And the moment we broke that neckline, you can also see that Bitcoin got a nice push in the price, which is a nice reaction after we are seeing a break of a key support. Then if we were to measure the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys, then we take the width of the neckline till the head right here, put that at the point of breakout, and then you can see that the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern would be exactly at the previous all-time high right here at slightly above 67,000 US dollars. So that is going to be interesting, and I think it's possible in the short-term time frame to reach that level. I'm going to show you which level Bitcoin needs to hold in order to continue this uptrend. For that, I want to go to a different chart with you guys, but so far it's actually looking quite interesting. But I really want to say a but right here. We have to be careful, because I still think that the price action of Bitcoin is kind of looking choppy and that there is no clear direction yet, at least not before we are seeing a decisive break of that previous all-time high or a decisive lose of that support that we have been talking about, right? So before, I also have been pointing out this potential megaphone pattern. Interestingly, we got a bounce from that former resistance, so that was also quite funny to see. But yeah, when we have a look at the inverse head and shoulders pattern, which you can see right here as well, we just have different drawings on this chart, but this is basically the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Here's the neckline right here. Then I want to point out a support zone right now. That is this support, which Bitcoin seems to hold right now, which shows us that Bitcoin is trying to get in a uptrend in the shorter term time frame, and which also could bring us to the target of that inverse head and shoulders pattern right here at the top. And funny, guys, is also that the top right here is also the target of this megaphone pattern, right? This megaphone pattern and this breakout right here, the target of the megaphone pattern is the top of the pattern, which is the same target as the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So that is quite remarkable right here as well. So I do think that Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame is looking good if we can hold above 63,000 US dollars, slightly below that 62,900, depending a little bit on which chart you're watching. If we are losing that 62,900 right here decisively, then the next major support is going to come in at slightly below 60,000 US dollars at 59,800, going down all the way to 58,550. That is going to be the next level. If we were to lose that level as well decisively, then yeah, we are really going to have to look at 55,000 US dollars or 55,500. But as of now, I don't think that is the more likely scenario. I think as long as Bitcoin can hold these support levels, we're most likely going to see a continuation in this uptrend. But there is a warning signal, guys, right here. That's also why I'm pointing out these support levels, because we are seeing a warning signal, and that is that the funding rates are actually quite high. So right now we have a high funding rate, positive funding rate, which means that the majority of the people right now are longing Bitcoin. The over majority of the people are longing Bitcoin, and in a bull market, that can be a fine, healthy sign, right? The majority of the people are bullish, prices going up, and these people longing, these traders longing, makes the price go up as well. However, if the opposite happens, guys, if the price were to go down, then that means that these this high funding rates, these majority of the people that are longing, they're having a risk which can cause a long squeeze, which is something like we have seen right here as well, where the price of Bitcoin just went down very fast. That was a long squeeze. The majority of the people were long right here. We had a very high jump in the funding rates, and eventually that resulted in this big of a dump. So that is something important to note right here, guys. Bitcoin is looking bullish as long as we are holding these support levels. If we are going down, if Bitcoin is losing these levels and we continue to have this high of a funding rate, then we could get a small shakeout before continuing this uptrend. So so far there's not much difference than the previous video. Price action is still choppy, short term still looking bullish actually as the price grinds higher, but we have to be aware of the fact that we are seeing some warning signals as well, and if the price were to go down, we could be seeing a long squeeze. But okay, guys, that was it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed today's update, guys, make sure to leave that thumbs up. Very much appreciated. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. For all the traders who are interested in trading Bitcoin, guys, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video, and if you use my affiliate link to one of these exchanges, you can get an additional bonus. And right now on Bybit, you can get a 3.5% deposit bonus up to 3,500 US dollars. And with my specific affiliate link, you will get a 10% discount on your fees for the first month that you are using Bybit. Then on the Femix platform, you can get a 2,000 US dollar bonus. And on the Prime XBT platform, which right now also launched their staking module, where you can stake your cryptocurrency, you will get a 50% deposit bonus. So for all the traders who are interested in using one of these platforms and want to claim this major bonus, you can find my affiliate links down below. And if you want to know how to use these platforms, guys, I've made a lot of tutorials which you can find over on my YouTube channel page, where I'm explaining exactly how you can use these exchanges. Then, guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.